How to chat with Binance support. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to chat with Binance customer support. Now open up your Binance app like this. After you open your Binance, now go to this menu at the top left side. From this section, now scroll to down, go to more services. Scroll all the way to down. So under help and support, now tap on this chat section. So after you come to this option now, all you have to do now scroll to down. So in this option now, go to get support. So from this section now, here is the support section. All you have to do now, tap on this search and type in P2P. Just type in P2P and tap on this send button. So from there, it will give you this option. As you can see now, it will give you this text. So all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this on sub button, this one. So after you tap on the on sub button, now tap on the chat. So after you tap on this section now, type in customer support. So after you type customer support like this now, as you can see now, just tap on this send button. So now as you can see now if I tap on this OK button, now it will allow me to chat with human. As you can see here, it said, I understand that you need a human agent. If I tap on this OK button, now it will allow me to chat with Binance customer support live chat. That's it guys on how to chat with Binance support. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.